Hello, little minions, it is me. Okay, we're gonna review this wall clock. As you can see, it goes from 12, which on the listing, this is actually flipped like this, but I wanted to show you this different configuration. Now, in order to set the time, you can simply go around like this, and let's say that it is 1:30 right there. Okay, so Penny right there, very nice. Okay, so also this is how you change the batteries, because also on the listing I was kind of wondering what it looks like. See, you can see there's a AA battery in the back, and then there's a little foam holder mount bracket that fits on the wall. Beautiful, huh? So it is kind of a shiny acrylic type texture, but it is very firm. It's not going anywhere. Really good quality, and it just looks amazing from way back here. Very nice. Penny, how many stars would you give this?
I would give it 900.
900 out of 5 stars. Excellent, highly recommended.